Fe wnaeth digwyddiadau Rhyfel Byd Cyntaf effeithio ar fywydau pawb a fi'n byw trwyddynt. Ganrif yn ddiweddarach, mae pobl ledled y byd yn darganfod ffyrdd o ymgysylltu â hanes y Rhyfel Mawr. Yng Nghymru, mae gennym gasgliad bendigedig o archifau. Pob un yn adrodd am y ffordd a gwnaeth gwrthdaro byd eang effeithio ar gymunedau bach ar hyd a lled y wlad. A sut gwnaeth pobl gyffredin ymdopi mewn cyfnod anghyffredin.
Mae fe'n gret i bobl dod i archifau i ffindio mas am y Rhyfel Byd Cyntaf ar wahân i dibynnu ar teledu a cyfryngau ar-lein ac yn y blaen, gan bod archifau'n cynnig profiad unigryw. Mae'n bosib dal dogfen nath gael ei greu yng nghyfnod y Rhyfel Byd Cyntaf, rhywbeth hollol unigryw sydd ddim i gael unrhyw le arall yn y byd.
Material in the archive is very local. There's hardly a parish that's not got something here relating to its involvement in the First World War. For example, you will have school logbooks from many of the schools giving details of how the war affected life for the school children.
What's fantastic about that document is that it is distinctive and unique to that village. It tells us something about the school at the heart of the community, the building of which is still standing. The current inhabitants of the village can realise what actually went on.
Mae'r archifau yn goforiog o wybodaeth am ei hardal leol, gan adael i chi ddarganfod eich cysylltiad eich hun a'r rhyfel.
The information you get through maybe TV or more formal channels doesn't give you that personal story that you can get from archival collections. And I think that really gives an extra dimension and it enables you to relate, a worldwide event of major significance like the war to your own community and your own family in a way that you can't get really just by going through more ordinary public history channels.
Sometimes you find little snippets of gold dust in things that appear to be totally boring and of no value. Newport Council Parks and Cemetery Committee minutes from the First World War you think would have nothing of any interest, and yet they have references to, for example, the attempts to grow food in the parks because people were on the edge of starvation. When you go down to the individual level, you'll find there are a multitude of different experiences, of different opinions.
And that comes back to what is distinctive about archives. It opens up that door into the local story.
I gael gwybod mwy am yr archifau sy'n agos ato chi, a sut i ddarganfod eich stori leol chi, ewch i archifaicymru.org.